Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to coil cable like so. Specifically, Aviator cables that are so popular but are super expensive. I figured out a way to just coil it after watching a bunch of YouTube videos that overcomplicated the situation, because all you really need is a blow dryer, some electrical tape, and a drumstick, and about an hour of your time to wait, because all it takes is about 5 minutes really. And that's it. That's all it takes. I actually coiled an Aviator cable myself. It looks great, and it saved me about $100, right? Because some of these cables are outrageously expensive, you know, 85 and up. So I actually got mine for $30 uncoiled at Amazon. I will link it down in the description, and just coiled it myself, and it looks exactly the same and or better because it comes with a little stuffed animal. But that's it. That's all it takes, and I'm about to show you how to do it right now. So the first thing you need is actually the cable you're trying to coil. This is the one I'm trying to coil. I will link it in the description. Next, you will need some electrical tape because it's very heat resistant, which goes well with that hair dryer we're gonna use. Next up are some drumsticks or whatever you want to use to coil it around. This is what I recommend. And of course, the hair dryer, right? Especially if you live with a girl, boom, you have to have one. So that's what comes out the box. I guess the bag, right? And that's the little hippo that it comes with that goes to whatever end you're choosing to attach to the end of the wire you are coiling. First things first, just get one end, do it at the tip of the drumstick, and then it's easier to just turn the drumstick around because then it coils itself. Make sure that it is tight. It has to be tight for it to work. Tape the end, and that's it. That's all you need. Next, set the timer on your phone to about 6 minutes, or start the timer on your phone and just kind of pace yourself to 5 or 6 minutes. Again, it's for every 6 inches of coil, it's about 2.5 minutes, maybe 3. So just make sure that you get nice even waves, you know, the whole way through, and just kind of comb it through, and it should be hot to the touch. That's why I'm kind of touching it there, making sure that it's actually hot, and then just let it sit for an hour. There you go. Take one end off, take the other end off, slide it off the drumstick, and ta-da, you have a coiled wire. It's that simple. I don't know why everyone else overcomplicates this, and it stays like that pretty permanently. This is my second one, and this is how it looks like attached to my keyboard. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe for more.